Meetings with a financial advisor or planner can be intimidating. There are many complex issues discussed that are outside of your personal expertise. The goal of this video is to provide you with a basic understanding of the core concepts relating to estate planning, how they will affect you and your family, and to provide you with some tips as to how you can best prepare for your meeting. This is a relatively short video and definitely doesn't cover all the complex issues that may be part of your estate plan, just the core concepts. Most people are not aware that their personal situation may be much more complex than anticipated. This slide shows some of the most common complexities. Very often, people's situations will encompass more than one complexity.
Nobody wants to die or to be incapacitated, but everyone will die, and many people may suffer from some sort of incapacity. What we don't know is when and how. Planning your estate and your incapacity is a service for your loved ones. If it is properly planned, your family and loved ones will have an easier time of things during a difficult period of grieving and upset. And in the meantime, you will no longer have the responsibility of planning hanging over your head. The goal of estate planning is to ensure the intergenerational peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Estate planning is a process of planning for what will happen in the event of your death or incapacity. In fact, you're planning more for your family and loved ones than yourself to ensure a smooth and cost-efficient transfer of wealth and legacy.
Everyone should have a valid will and power of attorney for property and personal care. There may be other available options to be considered depending on your personal situation. For example, if you own a corporation.
Often people will wrongly assume they do not need a will. If there is no will, there is no executor. You will need to file an application to have an administrator appointed. That will take time and money. In addition, a total stranger might now be dealing with very personal matters. Your loved ones fall in a black hole, your assets are frozen, and that might last months.
As a result, you may endure some very unpleasant consequences. Those who inherit your assets may not be the ones that you would like to have your money. There's no planning opportunity. CRA becomes, in effect, the main beneficiary of your estate. Settlement of estates often take much longer and are more costly if you do not have a will, making complex family relationships even more complex. In order for the meeting to be efficient, we will need to review your current documents. More importantly, you need to have a clear view of your objectives and intentions. Prior to the meeting, please send us a copy of your will and powers of attorney. Read them carefully before the meeting to see if they still reflect your current intentions, especially in terms of the beneficiaries and of the named executor, attorney for property and personal care. If you do not have wills or powers of attorney, or if they are more than 10 years old, they may not properly reflect your current intentions with respect to the above. Discuss that with your partner in an open and transparent way. It may be a good idea to have a family meeting to discuss these details in advance of the meeting. Please prepare a list of questions that you may have and try to come to the meeting with a clear picture of what your assets are, wherever they are located, either in Canada or abroad. Describe in detail what is your family situation, i.e., is it a blended family? Do you have estranged children, for example? Let us know whether you are a U.S. citizen or a citizen of another country, especially an EU country. We hope that this video has been helpful in preparation for your upcoming meeting. If you have any questions, our team is always there to help. We look forward to meeting with you.